Alright everybody, we're down at Bluestone Lake looking at the floodwaters from Hurricane Helene. Let's look around a minute and see what all we can see here. It's one of the highest water levels at the lake that we've seen. Alright everybody, we're going to walk out on the bridge. Now this area just below the bridge here, that's where the boat ramp, boat launch, fishing area, that's where all this right here is normally located at. It's all under feet of water. In that direction you have the New River, Glenlyn, Virginia. Several miles in that direction. Over my right hand shoulder is the Bluestone River. The bridge is actually on the mouth of the Bluestone. But as you can see, all the flood debris in the water. Over there's the marina. Let's zoom in on that. Okay, this is looking up the Bluestone side towards Bluestone State Park. Somebody lost their cooler.
Yeah. Where do you want some?
Alright guys, there's the road going down to the boat ramp. And you can see how bad it's flooded. So all of this area right through here is all flooded out. Got all the sightseers out looking at the high water, just like I am. So here's the park road, takes you to the state park. I would imagine it's probably closed off down there a piece. Let's head in this direction and see what else we can find.
that works too. I was going to give you my hat.
Anybody need a basketball? There's you another one. High water mark, 1960. And we're not real far from it.
You can feel the vibration.
So it's not as high as it has been, but it's pretty high, guys. Bring it back out.
I'd say it's about 45 feet.
Everybody, we're debating on how far the water is from the high water mark. What's everybody's best guess on this?
Oh, I know we ain't letting you behind the wheel, not with me behind you. Hold on.
I can hear you.
Take care of my light bar. You probably could handle it.
Yeah, how long